to my channel. I can't believe I'm here filming and actually following up on my word. This is actually a very special video because this is actually a gift from my friends because recently it was my birthday. And what better way to take advantage of your birthday than getting your friends to buy you an expensive makeup set? This is kind of funny because actually around the time of my birthday, I didn't really see anything that caught my eye until Flower & Nose on like November 7th, they released these makeup sets that you can customize. So the makeup set that I got my friends to buy me is from their recent line. So this is the Strawberry Rococo set. And as you can see, the box is really pretty. Let me just show it off for you guys right now. Just... Ooh, oh. So each makeup set comes with a gift box. And the details on it is just so beautiful. As expected from Flower & Nose, they never miss when it comes to the design and packaging. And it also can double as like a storage unit. So it's not just something you can throw away. I think that these makeup sets from Flower & Nose are always a great deal, especially if you're a newbie and you want to try out like a whole collection from the brand. This is like the best way to do it, especially when each item from the brand is around like $20 to $30 average. You can just get a bundle and try out like a bunch of different products. So if you were to buy the same items in the collection but individually, it'd be around the same price as the whole gift set. So might as well just get the gift set and it comes with some freebies. Another good thing about Flower & Nose is that they also offer other gift sets from their other collections. So if you're not a fan of the Strawberry Rococo, then you can always get your hands on the Unicorn set or the Circus collection set, and I believe like their leftover bear line with the lipsticks. Just a little side note, so if you're interested in ever trying out any gift sets from Flower & Nose, I would highly recommend you get it when it's like above $80, just because the free shipping quota from Flower & Nose international website is $8. So I did buy a gift set for a really good price during the Black Friday sale. However, it was just right under the free shipping quota, so I had to add like another item that I didn't really want just to get that free shipping. Otherwise, it would have to be $10 extra for the shipping fee. So just warning you guys. Hi, it's me from the future. So I just went on the official Flower & Nose website and I just saw that they increased the free shipping quota from $80 to $100. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. Bye. Pricing aside, let's just go on with the unboxing. What I love about the Strawberry Rococo set is that it pretty much comes with everything in the collection. So that includes the Embossed blush, the 5-color eyeshadow palette, the Cloud lip cream, and for the freebies, you can get this gorgeous hand mirror and also these 2 hair accessories. So when it comes to the freebies that come with the gift set, originally they gave you the option to choose a blush brush, which I really wanted because it's so cute. However, by the time my friends bought it, it already sold out, so I had to just end up with 2 colors of the same hair clip. Another reason why I love these Flower & Nose gift sets is that it comes with this cute hand mirror. So they price this individually at $25. But if you're getting the set, you pretty much get it for free. So I think it's a really good deal. I was also kind of bummed out when I missed out on getting the free stippling brush just because individually priced it's $15. So that's why like for the Black Friday sale, I kind of caved in and bought another set from a different collection. So yes, that's going to be a future video. So I feel kind of bad that I can't show you guys the true Strawberry Rococo collection in this video. However, next week I'll finally complete the whole collection. So let me just start talking about the makeup. As you guys can see from the quick unboxing, all of these products are so beautifully designed and packaged. It just makes it so worth to own, in my opinion. I just like collecting really cute, beautiful, unique packaging. But one thing I love about Flower & Nose is that they did not sacrifice their quality for cute packaging. So the first palette I'll talk about is this, their 5-color eyeshadow palette, and I got it in the shade number 2, Sweet Cannelés. This eyeshadow palette from the Strawberry Rococo collection comes in a total of 5 different types. And I would say it's a pretty good range of different color stories. So you can get your neutrals if you're like warm or cool tone. And they also have like the more experimental like pastel or colorful palettes. Knowing my makeup preferences, however, I found myself leaning towards the more neutral palette. That's number 2, Sweet Cannelés. Here's how the inside of the pan looks like. And as you can see, it's a really neutral and simple color story, perfect for me. And I just love the packaging inside. The mirror side has this really beautiful embossing, and for the pans, they're all uniquely shaped. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but each pan also has like a 3-dimensional look, so it looks like a gem. Once again, Flower & Nose put a lot of attention to detail. Here's an arm swatch of all the eyeshadows. And one thing I really love about Flower Nose's matte formulas is that they're really silky and easy to blend. One thing I do have to know about this eyeshadow palette is that it's mostly a matte palette and it comes with only one glitter shade. When it comes to the eyeshadow palettes I buy, I do prefer to get one that I can do a whole complete look with. And what I mean by that is like the really bright color. And what I mean by that is a really light shimmery shade for like Aegyo style, which this one doesn't have. However, that's not like a really big deal, so it's okay. I can't stress this enough how much I love Flower Nose's matte eyeshadow formulas. Just letting you guys know, when it came to the arm swatch I just did, I didn't really have to rub that much on the pans to get that full pigmentation. When it comes to all the Asian makeup brands I own, I would say that Flower Nose is really good if you would like a really beautiful and pigmented eyeshadow palette. Actually, when I first swatched the Flower Nose eyeshadow palette, I realized that the color story is really similar to a palette I just bought recently and then reviewed on this channel, and that is the Peri Peri Plain palette in Knitting Coral. And as you can see from this side-by-side comparison, the base shades are pretty much the same. Despite the similarities in shades, I would have to say that the Flower Nose eyeshadow palette is a lot better than the Peri Peri one, especially when it comes to performance, because the Peri Peri one is meant to be more sheer and buildable. However, this one is just a lot more pigmented. So if I would have to choose between these two palettes, I would definitely use this one more than the Peri Peri. Here's a close-up of the usual eyeshadow look I do with this palette, and as you can see, it's really simple, but it's perfect for those who like daily looks like me. One thing I did to say about this palette in particular is that I don't really find the gold glitter shade that amazing. In fact, it comes off more like a sheer glitter topper on my eyelids. And like I said before, there's no other bright colored shimmer shade to complete this look for me, so if you're someone who likes doing Aegyo style like me, then you probably have to get like a separate eyeshadow palette or like an individual eyeshadow stick like this one. But despite those minor nitpicks, I still think that this is a really amazing eyeshadow palette from the brand. So if I would have to recommend an eyeshadow palette from Flower Nose, it would probably be the Strawberry Rococo line. So the next makeup item in the Strawberry Rococo collection is this, the Cloud Lip Cream. And I got mine in the shade 01 Soy Milk Cheese, and it's described to be a milky apricot color. This Cloud Lip Cream is said to have a smooth, creamy texture and give a velvety matte finish. And this is the first time I'm actually trying a matte product from the brand. I only own their glosses. Here's how it looks like swatched on my hand. I've actually worn this for around a week already, and I do like this formula. In fact, it's not too drying at all, and it feels just right on the lips. I'm also surprised with the lasting power of this Cloud Lip Cream because I've eaten food and drink stuff with this on, and the color is still there. I also like how this wand has a small dent in it, so it doesn't pick up too much product. In fact, it's just the right amount for my lips. So this is a close-up of one layer of the Cloud Lip Cream on my lips, and personally for me, I think this is just more than enough. Because of its formula, I find that this Cloud Lip Cream does a really good job at blurring the lines of my lips, and even throughout the day, the longer I wear it, it doesn't start settling to it. However, you do want more color to show, you can definitely put on another layer. Overall, I really like this Cloud Lip Cream from the Strawberry Rococo collection, and I would recommend to anyone who likes matte textures. And the last product I have from the Strawberry Rococo line is this beautiful blush. And let's just appreciate this packaging. Here's how the inside of the blush looks like, and I've already used this a few times already, so I'm really sad when this embossing goes away. But just look at the fine details you would expect from Flower Nose. So this shade 01 Angel Chanson is said to be a creamy apricot color that's suitable for all skin tones. I would do a finger swatch for you guys, but I feel really bad whenever I dig into this pan, so let's just try it on instead. I already used this blush many times before filming this video, and I just really love the formula. Flower Nose is really good when it comes to their blushes. This shade in particular is a pretty light pink, so it might not show well on camera. But trust me, in person, it is just like the right amount of pigment for like a daily use. Alright, here we go. So, applying blush where I usually would, on the sides of my cheeks. Just as I thought, it's kind of hard to see. So here's the shade Angel Chanson on my cheeks, and it might be kind of hard to see on camera, but just trust me guys, in real life I look pretty rosy right now. I just feel like you can never go wrong when it comes to the blushes from Flower Nose. Alright, so that was me reviewing the entire Strawberry Rococo collection from Flower Nose. And once again, Flower Nose has done a great job with their new line. I pretty much love every product in this collection, and I just love the aesthetic, as you can tell by its beautiful packaging. I would also just like to thank my friends again for pitching in and buying me this wonderful set to review on my channel for you guys. I really love Flower Nose as a brand in general, and so far I've loved everything I've owned from them. I would definitely recommend these gift sets to anyone who's new to the brand or they want to give something special to their friends. Oh my god, there's a cat. You guys see this? Are you guys seeing this cat? What was I saying again? Oh yeah, so I would highly recommend these gift sets for anyone who wants to try out the brand or wants to give something to a friend. I also believe that this gift set is a good value for fans of Flower Nose who want to own an entire collection. I also love how these gift sets allow you to choose which shade of each product you want. And like I said earlier in this video, there is going to be another Flower Nose video coming up in the future just because I bought a different collection from during the Black Friday sale, so look forward to that. I'm also looking forward to it too because it's on its way right now. So until that time comes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, don't forget to click on the like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!